I'm head of the business accounting. Business accounting in that regard means that I'm responsible for the accounts payables, the accounts receivables, the fixed asset accounting, and last but not least, the working capital management for the whole group. We experienced in the past some huge problems within our receivable management. Main reason for that is in different accountabilities, and so we reorganized the whole thing and we took over the responsible for the receivables management, and then we had a look for a product, a software or a tool which could support us in that regard. And I've been in touch with GETPAID, I think years before, at a summit in London, and I remembered it. And so we get in touch each other and thought it could be a solution for us to support us within our process to improve the receivable management in our house. Our major challenges has been that we made it very old-fashioned. We had no structure, we had no tools, we worked on an Excel basis, on a fax basis. It was very difficult to monitor all the dates due, past due receivables, and so we had a huge amount of written off receivables as well. I think that's the core problems in the past. What has been key that we reached the status we have so far? I think on the one hand, we have reorganized the whole structure inside. We made a guideline which is basic to adhere for all parties involved, and at least in supporting, we implemented a certain and special GETPAID tool to increase our efficiency inside, but additionally to speed up our processes, because speed is the key if we talk about receivable management. So we had two goals. Efficiency and accelerating the processes. We decided ourselves for a cloud-based solution because we thought that it's absolutely adequate to the volume of our receivables and the structure of our receivables. At the end, it's a decision of cost and benefits, and we were convinced that the cost and benefit combination out of the cloud solution is the best solution for our company in that regard. It fits extremely good to us. On the one hand, it was very cost attractive. It could be implemented in a very short time frame, and so we had the possibility to drive it through all our hierarchies and have a positive decision at the end. On the other hand, it's a step in a potentially big solution at the end as well. So our prediction is that we would like to think big and to start small. And with SunGard's GETPAID, we had at least the possibility to implement a solution which helps us immediately as a kind of a quick win, but which provides us with the possibility to make a rollout later on as well, just to other companies inside our whole group or to other parts of our receivables. Well, that's the main focus we would like to continue with. The most valuable thing about a partnership with SunGard is, or as we experienced so far, is it's really a cooperation between partners. So they are very reliable. Everything they promised or said up front has been kept, and that's a thing which at least me value most. And so I hope that it will work that way in future as well, but I'm convinced it will.